Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Chart Studio. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today, we are going to analyze few indices, commodities, and then stocks. So, first of all, we'll understand what happened today, and then we are going to understand that what are the important levels for tomorrow. As we discussed in the last video, what are the important levels for Nifty and Nifty? The important levels was around 24,000 and 24,150. So basically, today was a good day, and later on we saw a good amount of profit booking, and there are few reasons. First of all, we'll understand why we saw a good up move today. The only reason was that today was a new expiry. Yesterday's profit booking was mostly due to the expiry, and today was a new expiry. So buying came, and there were not lot of news. But by the end of the day, we saw that crude oil moving towards 110, $115, and that triggered profit booking. From 24,325 levels, we came directly to 24,163 levels, which is a good support here. Now, this was the reason why we saw a good amount of profit booking. Now, on the other side, what are the important levels for tomorrow for Nifty? First of all, the important level Nifty has closed towards an important levels of 24,150 around. If it is taking support here, we may soon see the next level of 24,300 and 24,350. These two are going to be a good resistance. So the range is 24,150 to 24,350, 200 points range. On the downside, if Nifty is breaking 24,150 levels, we are going to see 24,000, which is a good support. Yesterday also we spoke about this, and today also I am telling you that we may see a good support around 24,000 levels. Okay, and on the upside 24,500. This is the broad range for 2 to 3 days. But one thing we need to keep in mind that today uh, all the elections exit poll has came. Okay, and this may affect tomorrow in the market. Okay, on the first hand, after that 3 days holiday is there, and later on the 4th of May there is a result. So this week is going to be very volatile. If you are trading, then you need to keep like strict stop loss or maintain your positions like properly. Okay, so Nifty important support on the downside 24,150, on the upside 24,300, 350, and the broader range is 24,000 here and 24,500. Okay, this is going to be a broader range. Okay, this is for Nifty. Now we are going to check Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we have spoken yesterday also that Bank Nifty is very weak. Okay, Bank Nifty is very weak, and exactly the same thing happened today. Bank Nifty from the top it corrected around 700 points. Okay, now when market opened, okay, at this price market opened around 55,500. Okay, and later it went up to 56,150. It made a doji candle, okay, which is a sign of reversal, and later on it gave a good amount of profit booking towards 55,300 levels, around 800 points of profit booking. Nifty is comparatively better than Bank Nifty. If the profit booking is coming, Bank Nifty is reacting to it like more in a like volatile way. Now, what are the important levels for Bank Nifty? On the downside, this is an important support. Both the indices have closed around an important support of 55. Bank Nifty at 55,270 and Nifty at 24,150. Okay. Yesterday also we saw a good support here later on, and today also we saw market is taking support. Now, if the market is opening up, okay, if we are seeing a gap down opening, we may soon like try to go towards 56,000 level. But if it is breaking below 55,000, we will see 54,500 and 53,000 also. 1,000 points correction we can see, because Bank Nifty is relatively weak. निफ्टी में इतना करेक्शन नहीं आएगा, बट बैंक निफ्टी में ज्यादा करेक्शन आ सकता है. तो बैंक निफ्टी द थिंग इज दैट द प्रीमियम्स आर वेरी हाई. Okay, so even if you are taking position, you need to take care because it may go very, very volatile. Okay. Now, next we are going to check is crude oil. Again, these are just levels because crude oil जो premium है वो बहुत high है and it is very difficult for everyone to trade in crude oil. So it is better not to trade in crude oil with options. You can trade with crude oil mini. Okay, no, not with crude oil, but crude oil mini will help you. On the upside, like 10,000, around 10,000, this level is very important resistance. यहाँ से एक profit booking भी देखने मिल सकती है. And on the downside, 9,300, 9,000 is a very important support. See, here it has taken a multiple time support. So this is an important support. Gold. Now we are going to check gold. Okay, gold is relatively weak. Uh, the support of 1,50,760 has been broken, and we had discussed. It has tried to take a support around this level 1,48,750, but it has failed. And on the downside, 1,48,000 is a very good support. Now, if you are a long-term investor, the broader range for gold is 1,40,000 to 1,55,000. Okay, below 1,40,000 we will see a good amount of profit booking. Above 155 it can go 160, 165, 170 also. And if you are a trader, okay, if you are a trader, and the downside 1,48,000 is a good support. On the upside 1,51,000, this is 3,000 point range. Okay, this is 3,000 point range here. This level 1,48,000 is a good support. Okay, 1,48,000 is a very good support, and on the upside 1,51,000 is a resistance currently gold is facing. Okay, this you need to keep in mind or note it down. Now next is silver. Okay, on the downside silver has a good support around 2,37,000 which has been taken, and on the upside 2,45,000 levels is very important. Okay, on the upside 2,45,000 is very important. So these two levels are you need to keep in mind. Again, the premiums are very high and market is going very volatile. In case of silver, it is even very volatile. So if you're trading, you need to keep in mind. We are going to check Bitcoin also. Bitcoin is little bit weak. Okay, it has broken the level of 76,500 just now. And so what are the levels for Bitcoin for today? On the upside 77,900 and on the downside 76,500 which has been broken. It can go towards 75,600 and 75,000 also. So these levels you need to keep in mind. We have a few stocks also which we are going to discuss in the next video. I'll post it soon. So stay tuned. Make sure you follow us or subscribe us and like the video so that we can keep on making such videos every day. Thank you so much.